I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I promise I'll always be by your side. I promise to love you even when times are tough. And yeah, I promise to love you forever.
Wilson, it's taken a long time to finally be standing here with you, and I am excited to be saying our vows. Since we don't have a culture of exchanging vows at wedding ceremonies here in Japan, I am a little bit nervous, but I'll do my best.
Leave my thoughts on the table, set my keys by the door. All these fortunate fables, I don't think they need us no more. In my head like a blitzkrieg, on my heart like a war. Coming back for your heart now. This one ain't mine anymore. Will you wait by yourself, dressed like an angel in white on the way? Can you be like a drone, straight from a song that I've known all along? Can you take the islands, just pulling apart the waves as I fall into your arms, tearing up roses as daylight approaches, just hoping to be what you want. Hold me up with your
本日は私たちの結婚式にお越しくださいまして誠にありがとうございます。やっと延期を経てこの日を迎えることができて本当に幸せでございます。皆様のおかげで先ほど無事に挙式の方を執り行うことができまして、短い時間ではありますけれどもお食事とあと最後にデザートビュッフェもございますので楽しんでいっていただけたらと思います。アメリカ側のゲストも一緒に乾杯したいと思います。それでは乾杯。
まさか陽子がアメリカ人の方とお付き合いして結婚するっていうのは本当に予想外だったんですけど、すごい2人のコミュニケーションが合っていてすごく素敵な2人だなとずっと思ってます。
大変苦労もあったと思うんですけども、こうやって本当に2人の晴れ舞台を見ることができて本当に嬉しく思ってます。
一回2人3人でトランポリンに行った時に2人とも結構もうすごい体力がお化けで何分飛んでも全然2人ともピンピンしてて、
陽子は私にとって本当に一緒にいて居心地のいい存在で、いつも相手のことを一番に考えて行動できるところを本当に尊敬しています。
神戸にいる時も東京にいる時もアメリカにいる時もいつも近くに住んでいてすぐ連絡が取れる中でいつもとっても嬉しくて
一歩ずつ幸せに暮らしていただきたいですし、陽子がアメリカにいてもどこにいてもまだまだこうやってみんなでずっとつながっていれればなと思います。
To Yoko and Wilson, I can't tell you anything new. I can only tell you to keep doing what you're doing. You two have been nothing but a shining light of happiness in everyone here's lives.
Yoko, I've loved you since the day that I fell into your trap of asking me to go to the EMP museum. At that time, I had no idea that we would end up spending the rest of our lives together. But I'm so glad that I went. I love your kindness and your curiosity. I love how strong you are. I love the way you know how to take a joke and dish one out too. We're not usually the lovey-dovey type in public, but today I wanted to say, like, I want you to feel okay to share our love here. You know, everyone is here.
Run into the night, you and me, looking up, and now we see the world it waits to be discovered.
When I look back on the past about 8 years with you, we went on many trips together in Japan and abroad. It was only 3 days after you decided to commit to joining a new company that we were already on the plane headed to the US. I respect that kind of curiosity and adventurous mind, which made me interested in learning and experiencing new things and broadening my perspectives. I am thankful for so many things that you do. You always encourage me and say, just give it a try, when I'm being indecisive and I can't make a big decision. You always make an effort to see me and make sure I'm alright, even though we live so far apart. I am so thankful that we could make this day finally happen, even though we couldn't share this with your friends and family in person. I am excited to share our life together with them as your life. I will promise to love you unconditionally. I will laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sadness. I will always support you to achieve your goals. I will listen to you with compassion and understanding and speak to you with encouragement and motivation. I am so excited to spend the rest of my life with you, and I am ready for overcoming some difficulties throughout our life together, no matter what happens. I love you so much.